This is a video diary of my exploration of shells and shells being used as sculpting material. I have brought a selection of shells from holiday in Portugal, and some of which are quite sort of thick oyster shells, and some are very thin shells that I found attractive for their pearly surface and colour. And what I've been doing now, I'm just trying to shape and cut and dig into them just to really get to know the material and how tough it is. And to my surprise, the oyster shell is really much softer than I had imagined. Here on my tool you can see almost this residue which came from inside of it, and it's very moist. Perhaps because the shell is so fresh, but it's so moist that I can feel it on my hand, how moist it is. And it's very actually, but you can see it's very wet, and the smell is peculiar. Really, it smells like you're at the dentist and when he's or she's repairing your tooth. Of course, inside. So that's the inner side of the shell. That's the outside of the shell. And as I'm removing the white residue, then I'm getting to the outside of the shell, which is much tougher. So this is what happened after I cleaned the whole, almost like a pocket of this tissue, live tissue, and I wondered if this is part of it that is to be kind of used for the oyster when it's still alive, to feed itself, or a kind of deposit of calcium that it finds from what it eats. And then the other side is much tougher. And then this is, interestingly, it wasn't visible before, but this coloration here, this color continues. And I would like to use the yellow, but that is almost like rubbing with my hand, look. And that was something that really attracted me to that shell in the first place, that golden sheer. See what else I can discover.